Hello, ladies, and welcome to today's Behind the Seams. Today, we have a big box from Alembika.
Welcome, Lovelies. Well, oh my goodness, Charlie is here with his little nose almost in the box. And he got a nice haircut.
Yes, he looks so cute.
Except he looks a little bit like a schnauzer, don't you think?
Oh my gosh, no.
Yeah, look, this is like, you know how they have these beards?
Yeah.
You're
cute.
very handsome.
Yes,
very
you are handsome.
Yes.
He needs his treat.
He need. Tessa,
I know.
why did you mention it?
Well, he sat down and he keeps looking at me.
Yeah,
and I normally give him a treat when I come.
Yeah, he will start meowing in a minute because he's getting very demanding. He's got Glenn wrapped around his little paw. Oh yeah.
You walk
He's got
Glenn.
Him running.
He walks Glenn. Glenn doesn't walk him. Did you catch your skunk?
No.
No?
No. You have to help me because your brother Sam brought a big speaker, eh?
Oh, okay.
A Sonos speaker.
Oh, really?
And it's supposed to play Metallica all day.
Metallica.
Really loud.
Oh my God.
I did it 1 or 2 days, but I have the speaker here. You have to look at it for me.
Why, it's not working?
No, it conked out. I don't know how to work these speakers. It's a Sonos speaker.
But maybe you have to charge it.
I did charge it overnight. No, he showed me how to charge it. But
okay.
It's like the music is so bad. I talked a little bit about it on my couch talk. If I had music like that blasting in my bedroom, I would want to kill the first person I would see. That's so bad. And the little shed, it's shaking. That's how the bass is like.
So it's supposed to wake him up and rehome him.
And he will say, I can't stand it here. I'm leaving. Never coming back. But you know, I heard the other day from our neighbor, she said she heard urinal pox. You know, urinals for men.
Yeah.
Those
they got ammonia, or something.
They have such a yucky smell.
Yeah.
And she said,
chuck a couple down the hall.
Yeah, but no, break them all up and put them in the bottom of your shed.
Oh.
The odor he will hate it.
He'll leave.
Yeah. So I have a few tricks up my sleeve.
Okay.
Yet.
Okay. Well, we have Alembika here, ladies. We are so excited. This is our summer package from Alembika that we just got in. You're going to love it. You're going to love it. I love it.
So Alembika, the first top, spring summer from Alembika this season was my favorite. Yours?
Yeah, the spring drop. Yeah, it was beautiful. Yeah, and it did not stand a chance.
No. Bing, bada, boom.
Bada bing, bada boom. Yeah. So it was beautiful. And this you'll love as well. There's a lot of summer dresses, so you're going to appreciate that. And speaking of summer dresses.
Tessa.
I know. I love it. I have a tank top underneath, so you're going to see me fiddling here because I don't like wearing tank tops underneath.
No?
I don't know. Anyway, so that's why I'm fiddling with.
What size are you wearing?
This is the 36.
Okay.
So it's nice. It's meant to be a big fit.
Yeah.
And it's got pockets, ladies, which is wonderful.
It will be so cool, eh?
Yes. I'm eyeing the navy as well. But we will see. But you look beautiful in navy. Speaking of navy.
Guess what I was just on the tip of my tongue of saying?
What? We're talking about me
I'm
first?
I'm eyeing the navy.
Oh, you're eyeing this one?
Oh, yeah.
This would look beautiful on you.
Remember I had a navy from Catharines.
You would live in this.
Yeah, so.
Well, we have a few left. We'll have to ask the boss.
Listen, one of you lovelies, I know, Marie, it was you. You said, pull the mother string. Tell her you're her mother. You want to have it.
Yeah.
I think it's so cute. I'm very modest.
We have some beautiful pieces in the boutique. It's always difficult. If we took everything we love, we'd be in trouble. Okay, so
Look
navy. Yes, I know. I did this drop on my own. This is the first time Lousje's wearing one.
Oh my God, I love it.
This is the brand new Marie Laloon sweater. Don't you love everything about it?
I love it.
I know.
It's the boxy style and the length of the sleeves, everything. The holes.
Beautiful. And how gorgeous is it with this color?
You know, this is an amazing color.
Yeah, amazing pant from Cardigans also.
It feels, also very cool.
Yeah.
Lots of room in the leg and beautiful waistband, a little zipper and a button. Nice pockets. Love this pant.
Love it. And look how cute you are with your
My little...
It's subtle, but it's beautiful, lady. The bliss.
I like it.
It's navy on navy, but it's so beautiful.
And because it's shiny, it really shows up.
Yeah, pops. And then your navy ball earrings that we love. And your swing scarf.
Yeah.
It's great.
I'm in good shape.
You're in good shape, but what do I have? Oh, I have the white. I love these.
Wow, is that Siska?
Yes, we got 2 new styles, or 3, just all white for the summer. Yeah, beautiful.
That is adorable.
And then it's picking up this, and this is gorgeous too, from Majestic.
Oh my goodness.
I love this piece.
We've had it for a while.
Yeah.
I mean, we brought it back a few times.
I don't want to snub Charlie here, but I'm going to move over because I'm going to start unboxing.
Of course, we need to start flinging clothes around.
Okay, so ladies, there is some beautiful sets in here too for dresses, which are fabulous. I think I was going to leave this one for last, but I think we're just going to have a whoa popper right in the beginning. What do you think?
Yeah.
Should we just
bring it out.
Floor the ladies right away?
Let's kill it with a bang.
Okay, look at the colors in this linen dress.
What?
It's like a shirt dress. And look at it.
Tessa.
This is so fabulous.
Well, this smacks European fashion.
Oh my goodness, ladies. It is so dynamite. I'm going to style this up for you tomorrow, and I cannot wait. Look at the pink. I know.
It's like stunning.
Stunning. Charlie keeps hitting me.
Is this extra small?
Didn't he get his nails clipped? He's digging into my butt.
He's supposed to have had his
pointy nails in my butt here.
This is an extra small.
So yes, there's 3 sizes. So they're very generous. This is extra small, but it's supposed to be, you know, very flowy.
And I love the length too.
I know.
Like you could wear it this length, and then it would look fabulous with white pants, skinny pencil pants.
Yes, we'll style them up with a few different options. But look at that. The colorway. I just love those colors. So beautiful. Okay, so we're gonna...
that was a banger.
That was a banger. So now we're gonna go to some black. Sorry, ladies. Sorry, not sorry.
No,
Ryan always says sorry, not sorry.
Yeah, really.
Beautiful summer piece.
God, what is cuteness
is
this?
It is absolutely gorgeous. Silhouette, pockets, nice cap sleeve, beautiful silhouette here and bubbling out.
Yeah.
A beautiful cotton spandex.
Lots of seams here.
Thicker t-shirt. Yeah.
You know, fitted. On top, and then all that home.
The cat's meow to this, which we curated this outfit just for you lovelies. Cannot wait to put it on. This goes over top.
You got to be kidding me.
No.
It's like
So we're going to wear this over top tomorrow.
Oh, Tessa.
Look at that.
Oh my God.
What a wowza that is.
Wowzer.
I know.
Oh,
Method to the madness, ladies. Isn't that fabulous? So it's got a taffeta pocket and then a striped pocket, which there is a dress that ties into this, another dress. So watch out.
And look at the cut of this shoulder. It will come here.
Yes. And this is a nice bamboo, ladies. Cotton with bamboo and lycra. Beautiful. Nice for the air conditioning. Great for travel.
Extra small.
Extra small. So 3 sizes in that one as well. So the dress, I'll pull it out, that you could wear.
Look at these pockets too.
Either or. So you could wear this with it as well.
Yeah.
So then you have a option of a sleeveless. Look at
and feel the lightness of this dress.
I know.
It's taffeta, but it's feather light.
Well, it's taffeta, but it's knit.
Yeah.
And it's taffeta, knit, taffeta.
Yeah.
So it's all, and look at the back.
Oh my God, I love that. A little saucy slit. Is that the back or the front?
That's the back.
The slit.
Yeah.
Oh, I love
the
that.
slit. Sorry. And then I'm so excited, but look at
Get out.
the pockets.
Oh my God.
I love those touches.
To God, Alembika.
So this can
it.
go over this as well, because then it's got the same taffeta in the dress.
Yeah.
And then look, Mom, it's got the stripe.
Oh, I am in love.
So there's 2 sets there. You can do the plain black dress or that one.
Beautiful.
Oh, it just gets better and better, ladies.
Oh.
This is a beautiful cardigan that will also go over there. Either of those
different colors.
I know.
Oh my.
So there's khaki.
Yeah.
Khaki black.
Yeah.
White and cognac nutmeg. Gray and cream. And gray and gray.
Yes.
Beautiful.
Show the back.
Look at the collar, Mom.
Oh, yes.
It's a rib.
Oh, my.
The detail on this little
detail.
cardi is fabulous.
Look at the back, lovelies.
And how it's going to fall.
Oh, Tessa.
I can't wait to style that up.
Two little slits here.
Yes.
Oh, absolutely adore.
It'd be cute over this too.
Adore.
So this is a nice little cover over the sleeveless dress, ladies. I can't wait to style it up for you.
Oh.
I'm going to do it.
Are you going to do this by yourself?
Well, it's all the dresses, right?
Oh.
I'm the dress lady.
Okay.
One last dress. Oh my goodness. I don't want to say it's my favorite, but I think it's my favorite. Do you remember me showing you this when I was doing the buying?
Yeah, I remember. Yeah, I remember.
Look at that, ladies.
Yeah, this is
fabulous.
Fabulous.
The fabric is scrumptious.
Oh.
Pockets. Nice. And look at the cut of the neck, Mom.
Yeah.
Or the you know,
yeah.
This is going to be beautiful here. It's nice. It's such a beautiful cut. So this is a great, so we're showing you pictures of the
like
product shots. I know. And it's a beautiful gray and it's nice long maxi dress.
Oh.
It's fabulous.
It is fabulous. Did I see? Oh my gosh. I am so excited.
I know. These are all winners. They're so beautiful.
This top, like Tessa said, this shape.
And then it comes up higher here. It's
They
stunning.
did it just right.
Just right.
Just right.
And then ladies, these are two essentials that we've had before.
Oh, yes.
And we had to bring back.
Oh, yes.
Especially for this dress.
Yeah.
The little, look at.
The little short, high-low.
The little shorty high-low for you lovelies.
Oh, how adorable.
With the shell buttons.
Yeah.
So you just have that draped over.
And the feel of this.
Nice and light. It's a beautiful European viscose spandex.
Yeah.
Absolutely gorgeous. And then we brought back the cocoon one. These sold out so quickly. You would just wear like our pencil skirt or over a tank dress. But
these were gone before we even could
wear. Yeah, they're absolutely gorgeous. And these are really light, so you can wear this all year.
You could wear it open.
Pockets.
Yeah.
These beautiful shell buttons again.
Yeah, again.
We'll have fun styling that up tomorrow.
And these are sized, these 3 items.
Yes.
This one too, right? The little cardi. Yeah.
It's exciting. Oh. What a great drop. Oh my goodness. So all the sizes are online. Check out the products. In the products, there's a size chart. If you have any questions, please let us know. As you know, we are not a big box store, so we don't carry excessive amounts. We try to cater to what we think is going to sell well, and then we get more, definitely. But sometimes they sell out quick, and we wish we could control that, but we cannot. And Alembika does not cut and sew throughout the season, so
can't reorder.
No. Anyways, I will be here tomorrow to style these up for you lovelies. I'm excited. You can join me if you like.
All right.
She's so sewing, ladies. We have a Wednesday, every week Wednesday date now in the studio.
In the studio.
I come and help. You know what we should do next time we are in there together? We should film it on the really fast.
That would be cute.
Yeah, and then we can show the ladies.
Yeah.
Show them us working away together.
And Charlie has a little bed.
And Charlie's there with us.
His own little pillow.
Yeah. And we get to chitty chat and have coffee.
I love
cut and sew away.
It is
fun. I love it too.
And cut and sew away, but in the meantime we talk on what should we bring back, what shouldn't we, what fabrics.
Yeah. And then she tells me all the time I have to cut my hair. And then she says, in a few years, when you look back on your pictures, don't be upset with me that, you know, you say, why didn't you tell me to cut my hair? I'm doing an experiment, ladies. I'm doing foils twice a year. And I'm not cutting it. I haven't cut it in a year and a half. 2 years? A year and a half.
Oh, I think longer.
I'm doing an experiment. I don't think I'll ever have long hair in my life, so I'm trying.
Well, but it's so long, Tessa.
I know, but she said it's so thin.
The ends, you need to clip the ends. I can do it for you. Snip, snip. I'll come in to sleep.
Funny. Yeah, right. It's funny because our hairdresser, Phyllis, who a lot of my friends go to, and Lousje, we go to her house. And I also meet with her once a month in a little girls group. And she always looks really close at my hair to see if I'm going somewhere else. Anyways, so fun.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
All right, ladies, if you have any questions, again, like we said, please let us know. Please hit a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. And as always,
keep on smiling.